Mesechus Challah, Perek Rishon, Mishnah Aleph. There are a few psukim in Parsha Shalach Lecha which discuss and mention the mitzvah of Challah. Vayidaber Hashem al Moshe Lemor, Daber el Bnei Yisrael, speak to Bnei Yisrael, ve'omartu alehem, and say to them, B'voachem el haaretz, when you come to the land of Eretz Yisrael, asher ani mevi eschem shoma, where I'm bringing you, v'hoyo ba'acholchem milechem haaretz, when you eat from the bread of the land, torimu terumah Hashem, you should bring a truma portion to Hashem. Reishis arisosechem, the first of your doughs, chalo torimus rumo, you should lift up, bring a truma portion, a chalo, kisrumas goren, like the truma portion of the goren, the threshing floor, kain torimu oisa, so you should also bring this truma portion. Further, last posuk, meireshis arisosechem, from the beginning, the first of your doughs, titnu Hashem, you should give to Hashem truma, this truma portion, l'dorosechem, through your generations. Explains the first Mishnah. Chamisha devorim chayovim b'chalo. There are 5 items which are obliged with this mitzvah of challah, and they are hachitim v'hasa'urim, wheat and barley, v'hakusmin, spelt, v'shiboles shual, oats, v'hashifoin, and rye. The Bartanur explains that just like we find the word lechem was mentioned here with the mitzvah of challah, similarly, of course, we have the famous posuk lechem oini, and whatever one can be mekayim the mitzvah of matzah, and indeed chometz, the avera of chometz, which are linked together, the same items apply also for the mitzvah of challah. Hari'elu chayovim b'challah umitztorfim zeh zeh. These 5 items that we mentioned join together. They join together, not every item with every item, but as the Mishnah explains elsewhere, and the Bartanura brings here, kusmin, or chitim, which is wheat, can join also with kusmin, which is spelt. Sa'orim, barley, can join with all the other items other than chitim. And in fact, the Rishalmi mentions that if you needed any of these items together, they would all join. What we are discussing, however, here, when I mentioned that chitin can join with the kusmin and s'orim only join with the other items other than wheat, that's only when they're next to each other and you're allowing them to join each other to make up the required share. Continues the Mishnah. Va'asurim bechodosh milifnei haPesach. These 5 items that we mentioned, they are all oser in chodosh, which is the new crop, before Pesach, which means before the Omer offering is brought, and that was on the 16th of Nisan. Only after that offering is brought, the Omer offering of barley, then the new crop can then be enjoyed and eaten. Umiliksa milifnei ha'omer. In fact, not just eating, but even cutting. The reaping of these 5 grains is not allowed to take place prior to the reaping, the harvesting of the Omer offering on the 16th of Nisan. V'im hishrishu kodim la'omer, if they took root before the Omer, any of these grains, then ha'omer matiron, by bringing the Omer offering, they will then become a mutter, and one will be allowed to reap and harvest these 5 grains. However, v'im lav, if they did not yet take root at the time you brought the Omer offering, asurim, they will be forbidden to be cut, harvested, ad sheyovo ha'omer haba, until the Omer of the following year will be brought.